See this, guys? Let's go. Well, there's the first one. Not big, but there's the first fish of the day on the silver blade bait. Oh yeah, we've got some weight to it. Man, I felt big at first. Okay everyone, right now I'm rigging up a rod. Basically, the fish aren't biting like I thought they would. They aren't biting like they did last weekend. There's three things I'm thinking. One is the fish moved. Two is they probably want a different bait if they're here, because they're obviously not wanting the blade bait or the crankbait. So they might have switched up entirely to like something slow or something. Or what I'm hoping that happened is they moved, because I don't have to go find them again. But that's probably the most likely thing. But I've caught 3 fish, 2 on a crank so far and 1 on a blade. And all of those 3 fish, maybe the biggest one was probably 10 inches. I mean, last weekend and this whole year, I've been catching some real nice fish out of this lake. And it's not good all of a sudden to start just catching 10 inches. So I'm sorry about that noise. So I'm thinking, you know, those bigger ones might have moved out into some deep water. So we're gonna do this, and then if not, we're gonna go try our best to find where they went. There's a good one. There we go right there. Nice fish, about 2 1/4 pounds. Caught it on the gold blade bait. Hit it like a ton of bricks. So hopefully that's a sign of things to come. This is a horse. This is a big old fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, don't come off. That's a nice one right there. Man, he hit it. And then I missed him. Oh my gosh, that's a chunk. Alright. That's what you get with winter blade bait fishing right there. Look at that. Ate it good. You know, the fishing's not as good as it was last weekend, but that's the years progressing. But still, when you can come out and it's, you know, getting towards the end of November and you're still catching nice fish on a reaction bait, I mean, how much better can you get? That's about a 4-pounder. Sweet. Ate that blade bait right there. Take a picture of him, let him go.